Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Why this a gully a bus wicked? Rubbish.
Early.
No man, the 6 not real.
No, Joe.
It's not real. It's real. You see, start back up here now.
Alright, there's a shallow. Let's jump on the shallow. That's all I want to do. I think I found fear.
Send that one to Andrew Wellness and say, hey, Andrew, see what I go on there. Well, this look like 120 years worth of rubbish.
Viewers and subscribers, me nah go there here so and a talk like me is Mr. Perfect, like me never drop piece of paper on the ground or so forth before, you know. Cause we were kids before, things you never understand, eventually you will understand. So when you understand, it's a different thing, you see. But a lot of persons still understand and them still do the wrong thing. You see me? You ever hear one saying we say, all who can't hear must have to feel? But the thing about it is some of the time in some cases, the good end up suffering for the bad. Right? Because the amount of warning in me your issue out and say, yo, don't throw no garbages on the ground. Don't put no garbage in the gully, now the trench, now the culverts, now so forth, because it's going to pollute the environment. The amount of warning signs and things I'm here. You see? I'm going to tell the viewers and subscribers, the thing set like a tin set, boy. It hard. Remember me tell you that. You see? So here we're going now. This right here, so you look at, is actually at Kingston HABOUR. Right? All this garbage you see pour are just Kingston HABOUR, and this is just one rainfall. And it's not like it's a hurricane or anything, you know. Not a big storm, you know. You get what I say to you? And you can see where, you know, a few men that they are like them and record it, and you hear one of them say, yo, this look like a 20 years worth of garbage. And one rainfall. Alright? The only thing we can say is viewers and subscribers. Again, me say nobody not perfect, but me I ask them just try and see if you can do the best and throw no garbages. Throw the garbage in the garbage bin so that it can go to the right and proper place. Alright? Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna big up on yourself. And in the meantime, you know, don't forget to just let me know to think about something like this. If you have a solution towards something like this, yeah, you make me know what I want to see. Alright? Yeah, make me know. Because sometimes, you know, it takes one person to change the world. You might be surprised that one person says something, and that one solution might end up change everything as simple as I take it. Don't doubt yourself, man. But anyways, let me know the thing about something like this. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?